All right, what's going on, guys? Friday. I think it's August 14th, 2020. Walking down the street in the Caribbean here in Mexico. And I'm just going to answer a quick question that somebody asked me on YouTube. They said, James, got to wait for the motorcycle to drive by. That's all the local Mexicans get around here. They said, what do you do? How do you make money? You're living in the Caribbean. You live this amazing life. What are you doing to make money? How are you surviving? Are you rich? Do you have millions of dollars? Are you retired? I'm going to answer that question right now. But first, I want you to watch my little introduction video, which I'm not really highly technically advanced, but I think I did a pretty damn good job. Check it out. And then I'm going to show you exactly how. All right, and as I turn the corner here, I want to thank my sponsor, Tecate Cerveza. Cerveza is Spanish for beer. I'm not promoting, yes I am, Tecate. I'm not going to say it very often, Tecate. Drink Tecate beer. You can drink any beer you want, but I'm telling you right now, in the Caribbean of Mexico, you drink Tecate. Okay, here's the building. There it is right there. I don't know if you can see it. Here, I'm going to go over here a little farther. But yeah, these are brand new condos. Look at that building. Pretty cool, huh? Right here in the Caribbean, right down the street here, about 5 minutes away, is one of the top 5 in the world. Top 5 in the world. Snorkeling, scuba diving reefs in the world, right here in the Caribbean. And then right across the ocean, about a 30-minute boat ride, is the island of Cozumel. And that's one of the top 3 places in the world for scuba diving. Yeah, but we're gonna check this place. Hold on, for YouTube. This is Gabriel. He's going to show me this condo. I think he's a good guy. We don't know him yet, but we're going to find out.
Okay.
But he's gonna show it to us. Let's check it out and keep watching. I'm going to take a couple little videos, and this is life in the Caribbean. We're in the Caribbean. We're in Mexico. Okay, so now we're at the pool. It's got a nice pool. Check it out. Looks pretty good to me. You can actually do. You can swim, do laps. I'm a swimmer. I love to swim. So there's your big, whoa, I almost fell. Got a big long pool there, very nice. Over here you got a little garden patio area. Yeah, but so far so good. Looks pretty good. So now we're gonna go check out we'll check out the room. You got studio, one bedroom, un dormitorio, dos dormitorios?
One.
Okay, only.
Yes, I can ask for another one.
No, but do you have dos dormitorio or no? Check out that pool, not bad. Did I say Tecate? All right, so this is the TV room. Got a little couch. Let me just show. Okay. Air conditioning. They'll put a TV in. Little view. Okay. And then the kitchen has a little bar.
Yeah.
To cook. No problema. Okay. Okay, bueno. Big fridge. Nice. We can put, even make ice cubes. Bueno, perfect. And then you got the stove here. This you can use pots and pans. You have or no? Oh, see, okay, bueno.
Now here is the part of the kitchen.
Oh, okay. But do you have the pots to cook?
Yes.
Maybe up here?
There.
So the pot.
I don't know if here. No, let me ask you because.
But you can
sometimes, yes.
Okay, no problem. Like uno, dos pot and 1 pan. Because I have I gotta eat special diet. All right, the kitchen is pretty good. He got his pots and pans, no problem. And then we gotta check the Wi-Fi is bueno. Okay. Here's the bathroom. Okay. The one thing about hold on, let me do something here. Tecate. All right, so we got the bathroom, toilet, shower. Now, the one rule when you're investing in real estate or you doing anything real estate, you always check that shower head, especially in the Caribbean. sometimes it comes out really bad. Like that right there is leaking. It's got to be fixed, see? But it is strong, strong. That's what you want. Most places in the Caribbean, they don't have high water pressure. You got to check it. If it's low water pressure, it's no bueno, it's no good. They need to fix it. Make sense? Okay, cool. There you go. Hey, what's going on? How are you? Okay, then we're looking at the bedroom. We got a TV in the bedroom. All right, there you go. And then you got your bed. This is a queen bed. Nice. Looks pretty good. Let's check it out. Woohoo! Oh, wow. I think I'd just go to sleep now. Tecate. 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 Okay, now we're checking the little balcony outside. Oh, nice. We got a little balcony. We got a view of the pool. Not bad. We got some chopped up rocks over here. Not bad. But we got a little pool view. There you go. So, we can go swim and watch each other. Not bad. There's the Caribbean. Let's say hi to this guy. Hola, amigo. And see, everybody's friendly. Everybody says hi. Especially if you give them a beer. Oh, by the way, did I mention, hold on un momento. Everybody here drinks Tecate. So here, I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to walk around the whole place, show it so you can see everything, okay? So when you walk in, basically you're coming up here. You got some cactuses, and then you're walking in right here. Here's your dining room table. You got a bar, okay? Here's your kitchen, microwave, stove. They've got utensils, everything we need. He's going to give us pots and pans. Mucho grande refrigerator with freezer. Okay, excelente. We can make ice cubes. We got a ceiling fan, and then here's your TV room. They're going to put a TV over there, smart TV. We can get YouTube, Netflix. That couch, somebody can sleep on. And then you got some bar stools over here. And then your bathroom is right here. The shower is excelente, very strong. Okay, and then you got your bedroom. Queen bed, plenty of room, ceiling fan, air conditioning, smart TV. I believe that's a smart TV. I'm going to ask him. And then you got the balcony over here. And I can put a barbecue right there. I can put a barbecue right by the pool. He said no problema. And then we got a closet right here with plenty of space. Cool, looks pretty good to me. All right, there you go. There's your walkthrough of a brand new 1-bedroom apartment in the Caribbean, Mexico. Per month, you're not gonna believe this. Guess how much it is? Oh my gosh, about 8,000 pesos per month, which is only $400. Wow, can you believe that? By the way, did I say, hold on, one more time. Tecate. Okay, now just to show you the difference, he has 2-bedroom. This is Dos Dormitorio 2-bedroom. Let me show you this, okay? So you've got your TV room, living room. You got a patio balcony right outside, right on the street. This is really nice. This is totally cool. Look at this. Got a big balcony, goes all the way over here by the 1-bedroom. There's a bedroom right there. So this is really cool, but it's on the street, so I think at night it's not too loud, it'll be quiet, but during the day we'll hear some noise. But you've got a nice balcony here, okay? Check it out, nice. Okay, then you got a full kitchen. This stove is a little bigger, it has 4 burners, okay? Plenty of room, lots of room, lots of room. Bathroom, shower, no problem. And again, I always test the pressure. The pressure is excelente, see it? Excelente. Good shower. And then you've got your first bedroom right here. Queen bed, nice. Right on the balcony, right on the patio. There's your queen bed, ceiling fan, air conditioner, and it has its own bathroom and shower. Look at that. You got your own bathroom and shower right here. I don't know where the light is. Oh, here it is. There you go. So you got a shower, toilet, sink with mirror, and you got your own closet. Nice. These are nice places. They did a really good job. I like this 2-bedroom a lot. And then you got the second bedroom right here. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, another queen bed, air conditioner. You got your closets here. Perfect, looks good. I like it. Maybe. We'll talk about it, okay? Plenty of room, lots of room.
No problem.
This has lots of room. Boom. Nice. Okay, so there's your TV room, living room, TV. You got your separate, you got another, is that a washer?
Yeah, but we don't have them.
Oh, okay. You got your kitchen table, kitchen area, lots of room with a balcony right now. Okay, so for example, because everybody's asking how I do this, how I make money online, living this lifestyle with no shirt on all day, walking around in flip-flops. Well, I do work every day, and on social media, here's one of my YouTube videos right here, people send comments. Let me show you. So they'll say, for example, this guy said, hey, right here, wait, let me show you, right there, teach me how to make money and be successful like you. Look at that comment right there. Teach me how to make money and be successful like you. So that's what I do. I contact them, I get them on a live call, I show them exactly how to set up an online business with literally within 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours in one day. This is where I get all my leads and then clients and then money. Make sense? Let me say that again. You need to post on social media, like YouTube is number one right now. YouTube and Google is number one and number two. Okay? Post videos and teach people how to change their lifestyle, not life. They have a life. You want to teach them how to change their lifestyle. That's what I do with my videos. I show them my lifestyle, and then they say, I want your lifestyle, and then they become a client. Got it? It's that simple. And sometimes it happens in 1 minute. Okay, so as I'm taking a little break on the back patio here in the Caribbean, the other thing we do to make money is sell products on Digistore. Go to digistore24.com, digistore24.com. This guy who created this online, mega online product selling machine is from Germany. The Germans are smart, okay? It's almost a duplicate of Amazon, and I sell products on digistore24.com. I have one product I sell for $1,000. We sell about 5 to 7 every week, so that's $5,000 to $7,000 of income coming in every week times 4 weeks a month. So that's about $20,000 to $30,000 a month selling one online course. And I take that money and I dump it into rental properties, studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, put them on Airbnb and make 30, 35, 40% interest on my money every single month. That's why I'm showing you real estate. You take money that you're doing right now online, whatever business you're doing to make money, and you dump it all into real estate, okay? That's what everybody's doing right now. August 2020, the real estate market is down. You can pick up stuff dirt cheap, but how about I show you how to buy brand new pre-construction condos that people will give you mucho money for in the #1 vacation spot in the world right now, the Caribbean. Keep watching.